In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to separate out a partner client in SeniorPlace. As you may know, if you go into a client profile, scroll down to the client section, you can click Add Another Client to add a partner client to a profile. This is ideal in situations where spouses are moving together, or for whatever other reason, you're helping two clients move together in the same profile. If you have a situation where you need to separate the partner client out, for example, if their health needs end up being significantly different and need to be placed in a different home, it may make sense to separate them out. So in that case, what you'll want to do is navigate to the profile where they are. In this case, we have a profile where we have the primary client and the partner client. And to separate them out, you'll want to navigate down to the Clients section on the Overview tab. Go to Actions under Partner Client, click Actions, and click Split into Separate Client. Before we do this, let's first go over how this will work. As you can see in this client profile, we've added a few things to demonstrate how the separation process works. First off, you can see that we added some interaction notes, separate client summary information, a referral source, and some separate intake details. So in this case, the primary client is a veteran, and the partner client owns a home. You can also see that we have a chosen community, 3 community options selected, an outbound referral, a sent email, an invoice, task, and file. As we'll demonstrate in a moment, when you separate out the partner client, only the primary client will retain information that's in the Find Ideal Communities tab through the Activities tab. The partner client will retain any information related to them from the Overview and Intake Details tabs. So let's go down to the Clients section, click Actions, and Split into Separate Client. We now need to confirm that we want to split out the partner client. This action cannot be undone, so you only want to do this if you don't want to recombine them down the road. Once we split the client, let's go back to our client's pipeline and we'll notice right here is where that new partner client went. So we have the partner client right here, and we have the primary client right here. They were a moment ago together, but now they are split into separate profiles. When you do separate out the partner client, they will automatically be placed in the new status, whether or not they were previously in a different status. So for example, if they were initially in scheduled to move, it would still put the partner client back into new. This allows you to start over with that client or just drag them into the status where they were before. If we go into the partner client profile, we're going to notice the information copied over in the Overview and Intake Details tabs. So for example, we can see the interaction notes are there, the summary related information, as well as the partner client's information. The referral source is one section that does not copy over, so you may need to add that referral source in for the partner client. Additionally, the intake details related to the partner client will be copied over, so you can see that owns home is checked on this profile. But veteran is not checked because that was related to the primary client. And then as we just mentioned a moment ago, none of these other tabs will retain any information from the primary client's profile. Because of this, you'll want to make sure that you go into the partner client's new profile and update anything that is necessary.